Welcome to the Melly
and the Shally Show,
where we unpack the products one product at a time.
So product specific for today will be our Super K cleaner, and this is a household superhero that has so many uses, and we're going to just identify a few of them.
All right, so the part code for our Super K is 1682. This product is one of those products that every single household must have. We're going to just quickly cover a couple of the uses of our special superhero, Super K.
Awesome. So this product itself is not, it will not be able to damage any plastics. So it is 100% perfect for plastics. And especially if you look inside the vehicle, on the panel itself, a lot of times there's finger marks or from chocolate fingers from your kids. So this is an amazing product to remove that, and that doesn't require any elbow grease.
Also, what we found is a lot of people add our cockpit care, and then there's previous silicone application that the car wash may be added to it. So this is a great product to be able to make sure that you remove everything from the surface of your dashboard. So when you apply a dashboard care, that there's not going to be a contamination with another product that then might have a change color. So also inside the vehicle, the one place that I know is very sticky and normally does not get cleaned out properly from when there's not a lot of time for them to really go into detail with your car washing, is the console where you put your cool drink and your water and things like that.
Cup holder, yeah.
Cup holder, and the little bit of Coca-Cola, and it gets stickier and stickier every single time. It only gets a little bit of a cloth. Don't worry, just spray the Super K, take a cloth, wipe it out. You'll see it removes every single piece of dirt that might be left behind on that console.
Another amazing feature of this product itself is, I've tested myself, is removing stickers. So when you have a remover sticker, there's a stickiness that stays behind on the body, and such an amazing product to easily remove that, as it can be a hassle to remove.
So a very fashionable thing today is white shoes. So it's the sneakers, and you have that little bit at the bottom that you always need to have a toothbrush or something to clean out all the dirt in between, and you have your shoes always very, very white when you get them, but then to keep them that way. So quickly wanted to show, so I have a shoe here that needs a little bit of cleaning, so it's been dirty, and on the sides also not so well taken care of. So just to show you how easy this product is to be able to use, just spraying it on all the white surfaces. A nice dry cloth. Just going to wipe that off and see how easily it actually cleans off.
It's amazing.
All the dirt. So simple, so easy, and I can even afterwards clean this top, and you're going to see it's nice and clean. Maybe just spray a little bit there still, get that last little bit of blackness off. And voila, looks like a brand new shoe. Another very, very easy application. I don't know about you, but we've had cases where you have a whiteboard. You've had a whiteboard marker. You thought it was a normal one that you can actually remove. And you find out afterwards that it actually has been a permanent marker. And you really battle to get that off. But also, I don't know about you, Shally, but sometimes you have your whiteboard and you have used a whiteboard marker, but if it's been there for quite some time, you really battle to get it off with the normal whiteboard cleaners. So just to be able to show you how simple and easy this product works, I had a little, my artwork that I have to remove here, permanent marker, and
there goes a little friend.
My artwork. So simple and easy. With a Super K, there is not one stain, not anything that is white that you need to remove in your vehicle that's sticky, that the Super K can't remove. So a product that every single household needs.
And if you're a teacher or in an educational firm, this is going to be amazing in your classroom, because I know a lot of times you guys struggle with that.
Even Norma, that cleans our offices, actually does not like to use Mr. Min. The only product she uses to clean all the tables is the Super K. It leaves no additional build-up from material that you would get from other cleaning material, and it's going to leave a nice shine and make sure that all the dirt on that table has been removed. So Super K, really a problem solver with so many applications. Thank you very much for watching the Melly
and Shally Show.